Hi there, everybody. We're now in our next video about the laws of exponents, and now we're going to tackle about the fourth law of exponents. Again, try to recall our definition of what exponentiation is, or how the process of exponentiation is being done. So we have a raised to n is equal to a times a times a until this nth a, where this is done n times. So consider raising a product of a certain power. Okay, raising a product to a certain power rather. So say we have a times b. So this is a product of a and b. So this a times b is being raised to 4. Okay, so by this definition, by the definition of exponentiation, we can write this as AB times AB times AB times AB. So this is done 4 times since we did this n times. So our n here is 4. So we have AB times AB times AB. Okay. Now, notice that we can regroup this and get all the A's, collect all the A's here, and collect all the B's and put them in a single grouping, in a single set. So we can write this as 1 A times, again, collect all the A's, A times A times A, and then we will also collect all the B's. This is true, this can be done, this is possible rather, by the commutative property of multiplication. So B times B times B times B. Now this can be further be equated as a raised to 4, b raised to 4. So therefore we can say that a times b quantity raised to 4 is equal to a fourth, b fourth. And this leads us to the fourth law of exponents, fourth as in, or as far as our book is concerned. So this is our power of a product, the fourth law. Okay, power of a product. So what does this mean? So this means that the nth power of a certain product is the product of the nth power of its factors. Or simply, if that's very confusing for you, okay, or simply multiply the bases when the exponents are the same. So we multiply the bases when the exponents are the same. In symbols, um, a raised to n, a times b raised to this n is just equal to a raised to n, b raised to n for all n in the positive integers. Okay, so for all n in the positive integers. So for example, if we have let's write our example here. If we have something like example 1, if you have something like 3 raised to 8 and 7 raised to 8, so what is the answer here? I'll give you time to answer that. Okay, I think you're correct. The answer here is 21 raised to 8. How is that possible? Again, the the power of a product law states that if multiply the bases when the exponents are the same. So since the exponents are the same here, it's exactly the same. They're both 8. So we will multiply the bases, 3 times 7, which is 21. So 21 raised to 8 is just equal to this. 3 raised to 8 is 7 raised to 8. More examples. Another illustration. This one I'll give to you guys. So example 2. Okay, let's have um 4 raised to 13 times 6 raised to 13 times 2 raised to 13. What's the answer? Okay, I'll give you time to think about that. Okay, So what's the answer? Again, since the exponents are the same, so what we're going to do is just multiply the bases and then copy the exponents. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 2 is going to give us 48. That's going to give us 48 raised to 13. And this is our answer for number 2. Okay? So that's the application of our fourth our fourth law of exponents. That's the power of a product. Okay? So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you would like and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.